Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you are all well. So let's start today's video. So the resin that I am using here is today by Teexpert, their fast cure resin. So I am testing that, and the white that I will be using is going to be casting craft. And at the moment I am just using my heat gun to remove any bubbles that have been risen to the surface. And after that, I take 20 ml of resin. To this I add around 8 to 10 drops of casting craft. This is my recipe and it always works. So because there is a little bit of adjustment of white, if you add more it will drop, if you add less it will not form a beautiful petal. So this is something that really helped me. So I will be doing that. And now this is a casting craft that I told you. So before I was just going with the white, but later on I decided to add a little bit of golden. So this is a gold paste that I am using. It's by Resin 8. For the center I will be adding this gold foil. It's really up to you, whatever you like to add to the center of your flower. I will be just adding a little bit of this gold foil. And I added my white resin into this jiffy bag, and just to let you know that I didn't wait at all. I just mixed the resin, poured into the mold, then I added my white and just mixed a little bit of golden color. That's it, and I'm pouring straight away. So this is the technique that I'm going for, making small petals one after another. And now I will be making the golden in the same way, just in between. And I will be doing a little bit of touch-ups. If I see there is a thick resin at somewhere white, I'm just going to move it a little bit, and after that I will be making the petals. I left this layer to cure and accidentally deleted the second layer. So this is the same thing. It's another flower, but the technique is same here. I did the same way for the second layer. So this is all done now and it is all bloomed, and I'm going to demold it. So this is how the flower looks like. It is really beautiful. I am just loving the gold and the classic white combination here. And the second layer that I do add to the flowers now, they are making the flowers more lovely and more bloomed. So I think I will keep on doing that. So this is the final look of the flower. I didn't add anything to it. The edges are on its own so pretty and beautiful, and then there is no need to add any back layer. So it is transparent. So you can see how sparkly it is outside in the sun. I went with the simple here, just your resin, casting craft, and a little bit of gold into the center, and just for the little bit of petals, and that's it. You can get a lovely bloom like this. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and everything will be in my description. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.